Uy, nagre-record na ako. Any type of dance. Okay. Ready, set, go. Hello guys. Today we're going to play Brookhaven. Mag-tutor kami ng house and explore cause ang tagal na namin na hindi naglaro ng Brookhaven. So why not Coconut? Let's go. This is our car. Yeah, wait, I cannot control it. I cannot control it, girl. Ala, hindi ko makontrol yung sarili kong kotse. Wait, ulit. Okay, wait. Ay, eto na lang. Bye, girl. Eto, I mean, okay, meron ka naman na. Okay, let's go. Okay, first, dito tayo sa taas, baba. Taas, baba. Taas, baba. Okay. Okay. So, first is itong minion. Please look at my screen. Minion? Yeah, meron na nga. I-rate natin. Like this. We're going to wait. Calm down. That minion? Yeah. Okay. Ready, set, go. Wow. Big kitchen and tapos free siya, guys. It's free. Yeah. And we have washing machine. Tapos they have posters. And saka na. Elevator. Pangalawa. Click. And merong dalawang broom. Wow. Good for twins. Oh, you can dress up. Yeah. And my name, si Ed, tapos si Henry. And bathtub. And, it's just the same thing. Same thing. Is there one more? Oh my god! Party! Wow. Okay, so yun lang naman yung sa minions. Mayroon pa kasing baba. Ito pinakababa. Oh. This is beautiful. May ganito yung yung part, tawag dito. Anyways, and a TV again, and random stuff. So, my overall rate namin outside. Wait, I cannot go outside. Okay, my rating to this house is, I would say, 7.5. How about you? 8. Kasi ang big niya, tapos it's for free, no Robux, Okay, I agree too. Okay, so magbabahay na si Sia next, cause I'll be waiting for at least 9 minutes. She will be picking the pink one. I don't know if she's picked the pink. Oh yeah, the pink one. This one. Ah, okay, first let's go in. Wow, the living room. And guys, this is only for free, by the way. No Robux included. And wow, not bad. It's good for family vibes. And yeah, a room, a closing, and a bathtub. I mean, yeah, bathroom and
Not as big as
closet.
the minions.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's good naman for like,
Family.
uh-uh.
Yeah. Okay, balik tayo sa labas. Overall, yung natin. Yung rate natin. Ay, meron pa pala dito CR. And there's a bathroom over here too. Okay, dito ko ulit siya. Okay, so my rating for this house is, I would say, solid 7 because it wasn't that big and it's just a right simple big house, I would say. A
Yeah,
medium
I got
house.
it 7 too.
Okay. But now we're going to wait kasi kulang well, may 6 minutes pa ako. So, ang gagawin is mag-i-explore kami. Nasaan si Sia? Okay. Asan ka? Okay. So, mag-explore kami around this
Helicopter.
Brookhaven. Oy, sakay ka.
May kabayo ako.
You gonna ride instead, bro.
Wala, mayroon na akong horse game pass eh. Naka
Okay, anyways. I'm gonna ride
horse.
this one again. And by the way, nagbago na rin pala. Wala na yung party-party, yung yung
Wala!
games. I
Ito
know.
yung party.
It's all cars now. And may Ferrari. Isa car ako
Ito
siya.
party.
Dream big, stand tall.
Okay.
Okay.
Wala, tingnan ko yung ano.
Siyang layo mo na talaga. Wala ako dyan. Ayun siya. Ayun si Sia, guys. Ang layo niya. Okay.
Wala.
I know, right? And pagpasok nyo dyan is ang dami ng details. Like, ayan no, order pick up. Tapos may sauce na rin dito.
Tapos may laro-laro pa sa mga kids.
Yan. See? Parang sa McDo. And yeah, bathroom. And janitor room. But,
Home of the jungle.
pero grabe yung upgrade. And the
Yes,
details. I would say 10 over 10.
parang McDo.
Yes, it's really detailed. Okay, next.
Airport. I hated class.
Okay, this Plaza.
Ay, ito
No. It changed. It has this
Oh,
sub
may
and
ano
go.
na siya. Like, shopping for May
Wow.
yoga pa rin siya, yeah.
Yes.
Tingnan natin kapag may ballet.
Oh, it has Cyber Pro, Empire.
Ay, wala na siyang pang-ballet-ballet.
Inalis na. May gym pa rin as always. And cinema. Okay.
Tingnan natin.
Pumasok ako sa loob. Ano, hindi na pwede pumasok? Ayun. Pinutin mo lang pala. Still small, girl. Like,
Same lang siya.
ganun pa rin. Okay, not bad. I would rate this 8-10. It's still fine and a little bit I would say upgrade.
Yeah?
Yeah, parang pinaliit nila eh, ganon.
Oo.
Next, groceries.
Grocery.
Wow, may bakery na sila.
Ala.
Pwede na magbenta-benta.
Mas malawak.
And yeah,
Tapos may
bananas.
sila, may mamits.
Yeah,
Tapos pwede
fish.
ka na mag-work dito.
And I know ano tawag dito. Mga random stocks.
Ay,
Boxes.
Ang lawak niya na talaga.
Yun ang stock.
Uy.
Okay. Next. Ano pa kaya nagbago? Police? Ay, may second floor na yung Police. Saan ka? Hurry up. Ayun lang yung police, oh. Okay. Oh my gosh, it has a donut. Oh my god. And yeah,
Second floor na
dispenser.
siya.
And yung kulungan
May
siya.
third floor.
Yung kulungan nag-upgraded na rin.
Ala, mas
Wow.
na paano
Pero,
pa yung mga kriminal.
Pero nandun pa rin yung
Basketball.
escape.
Asan
Yung escape, ayun o, kapag mag-i-escape ka, nandiyan pa rin.
Dito pa kaya yung basketball.
Hala, I'm stuck, girl. Open this up.
No.
Hey, girl. Open this up. I became a criminal as always.
Asan na yung
Oh.
pang
And
basketball na lang.
they have, a random things.
Ito may mga baril.
Ay, yung second floor, hindi ko pa nakikita. Nakita mo na?
Nakita ko na.
I will see what's the second floor. Oh, I get it. Meeting nila.
Oo.
Tapos,
Dito, mga...
oops, nawala ko.
Wait.
Wow. Okay.
Pang
Not
work
bad.
na. Office.
I will say,
May lang kasi.
ay, di ko napansin yan. Rating ko sa,
May
police.
helicopter siya.
Oh my God, I cannot go.
Wow, may helicopter siya.
Nawalan kami ng internet. Kuryente pala. I'll rate this solid 10.
Ala.
We'll
We
be
don't
right
have
back
internet.
because walang kuryente.